Hey everyone, and welcome back. New to Todoist and not sure where to start? Let me show you how to build your first simple task system in minutes. Step 1. Start with one project. Don't create 5 projects yet. Just make one called My Tasks. This keeps things simple while you learn. Step 2. Use sections inside your project. Add sections called Today, This Week, Later, and Done. This gives you organization without multiple projects. Step 3. Capture everything in Inbox. Use the quick add shortcut to type tasks as they come to mind. Don't organize yet, just capture. Step 4. Process your inbox daily. Move each task to the right section. Today tasks go to today, this week to this week, and ideas to later. Step 5. Add due dates to time-sensitive tasks. Type tomorrow or Friday for tasks with real deadlines. Leave other tasks undated. Step 6. Set priorities for important tasks. Mark your top 3 tasks as P1 red flag. Do these first each day. Step 7. Review weekly. Every Friday, move uncompleted tasks to next week. Clear your done section. And that's it. One project, sections for organization, and daily processing. That's all you need to start. If you build your first system, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.